Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll share with you 3 super simple simmer pot recipes to make your home smell amazing without the use of any potentially harmful air fresheners or candles. If you're new to the channel, please be sure to hit the subscribe button for new helpful videos twice a week. Okay, for our first pot you will need an organic orange, Ceylon cinnamon, and ground clover. Simply fill your pot halfway with water and add in a half a teaspoon of ground clover, half a teaspoon of Ceylon cinnamon, and half to 1 whole peel of an organic orange. Bring to a boil, then reduce the heat to simmer, adding more water as needed. Always remember to turn on the hood vent when using a gas burner to properly ventilate the gases and open windows regularly. Next up is a refreshing lime, ginger, and mint pot. I love the smell of all of these together. Cut up your lime into 1/4-inch rounds and use about 2 inches of fresh ginger cut into 1/4-inch slices. And you'll need 10 to 15 fresh mint leaves. Add them to the pot and simmer for a refreshing citrusy aroma. After using, you could even strain the water to make a nice tea. And for our last pot, we'll be using rosemary, and you can use fresh or dried, vanilla, and lavender essential oil. Add about 1 teaspoon of the vanilla, 5 drops of lavender, and a half a teaspoon of rosemary, and enjoy! I really hope you guys enjoy these easy simmer pots, and if you like the video, please be sure to hit the thumbs up button. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.